my dream has come true. I thought maybe in the next 15-20 years, if I really worked hard, maybe in my late 40s, I would be buying this car. But guess what? At my 25, I'm already driving it. You know how? Not by waiting, not by renting, but by owning smart. Introducing to you Fraction Car. Real keys, real ownership and real experience without your heavy price tags. Wondering how? Let me tell you. Welcome to Fraction Car. Introducing to you a car with luxury without paying the full price. Instead of one person buying the full car, there's a group of people who are going to buy this lavish luxury life with you. They are going to pay the entire price for the car. You are going to pay 1/12 of the share of it while you have the thrill of experiencing your dream car. Don't get worried of three things: insurance, maintenance and parking. All these three things are taken care by us, while you can focus on the thrill, lifestyle and experience of driving a luxury car. Luxury isn't about millions. It's about the mindset. Be smart, think quick with Fraction Car. Three common problems in India every car owner faces: insurance, maintenance and parking. Here is the perfect solution for it. Fraction Car. At Fraction Car, we take care of the three complexities that everybody faces. While you are paying 1/12 of the entire price tag for your luxury car, we take care of all of your needs. Drive hassle-free, have the best thrill with Fraction Car. Wait, where are you taking me?
It's a surprise, babe.
Huh, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, how did you afford this?
Thanks to Fraction Car.
Wait, how could he afford this? Not magic, not lottery, but being smart. Introducing to you Fraction Car. You just pay 1/12 of the heavy burden price tag and have the luxury with you. Luxury is not anymore just for the rich. It's for the people who are smart.
Wait. What do you do for a living? How did you afford this?
Nothing crazy. I didn't put my entire life savings to burn this, okay? Do you think I have paid 65 lakhs to this car? No, I was smart enough. I just paid 5 lakhs to go own this car. Thanks to Fraction Cars. I don't have to burn my entire life savings to just buy this, but just pay 1/12 of this entire price rate. Go to our website, check out the fleet and pick up your dream car and just pay 1/12 of the entire price tag and have your maintenance, insurance and parking all sorted with us. Luxury isn't a price tag anymore. It's a smart strategy. So start co-owning right today with Fraction Car. Why did you guys kidnap me?
How did you afford this Merc?
Okay, let me tell you a secret. Introducing to you Fraction Car. Drive your BMWs, Audis, Merc or any of your luxury cars hassle-free from today. Why? Because with just 1/12 of the share price that you will be investing, drive your luxury to your home. You no need to worry about EMI or maintenance. With fractional car ownership in India, you get flexibility, affordability and exclusivity all in one place. Whenever you want to buy a car, there are so many discussions and confusions going on at home. The wife wants luxury, the husband wants off-roading, the parents want utility, but all of it in one term you cannot afford. Introducing to you Fraction Car, one place where you can buy all of your dream cars by just paying 1/12 of the entire price tag. With this, all of your family members can afford different kinds of car in the same tenure. Let's assume you have a total budget of 10 lakhs. But you can buy one share of Mercedes-Benz for 5 lakhs and one share of Thar for 1.5 lakh. With a couple more lakhs, you can buy another share of utility vehicle. All of these are served in one place at Fraction Car. Welcome to Fraction Car. Here we have all of your luxury dreams served at one place. How does Fraction Car work? First things first, visit our website or download our app. Explore the premium fleet and have your desired car almost ready. Create an account and explore our website to understand how the entire co-ownership works. Add your preferred car to the wish list or reserve by paying a small token price for your desired car. This amount will be adjusted against your final purchase value. Each share purchase gives you 30 days of usage with full flexibility. So based on your usage, you can decide on the number of shares you want to purchase. Just not that, we will allow up to 6 shares per car, which is 30 days to 180 days per year.
Once we meet the minimum demand, that is 20 members expressing the same interest on the same model in and around your location, our back-end team will contact you and continue with the further process.
After KYC and all of your background checks, we form a group of up to 12 members who are your co-owners. Register the LLP for the legal co-ownership and even coordinate with the car dealer for your car arrival. Congratulations! Now your car is deployed and a grand ceremony of delivery will be arranged for you. And now you're a proud co-owner. The car comes with the whiteboard and no branding. Immediately, a booking calendar will be assigned to you. On your special days in a year, for any 30 days, you can use this car and have your desires fulfilled. And wait, each share comes with 30 days of usage per year, and you can buy more than one share if your planned usage is more. Based on your booking, your car is delivered to your doorstep and with full tank and the perfect mint condition. We handle all of your parking, maintenance, insurance, servicing and wear and tears through our competitive AMCs. With this, driving becomes hassle-free and zero stress for you. Enjoy driving your car up to 3 to 5 years based on your group's preferences. At the end of the tenure, the car is open for sale. Whether the members or in the open market, anyone can buy this. And once all of the sale proceeds are back, it's all divided by all of your co-owners. Let's assume you buy one share of a Fortuner. By the end of the 5th year, the Fortuner is sold at 50% of its value. The conservative you get is 2.5 lakhs for your one share purchase. So your net cash outflow is only 2.5 lakhs to drive a Fortuner
For 5 years.
If at all you want to sell your share or exit before the end of your tenure, please contact us because sharing is gift. What can I do with all of these bank statements and how would I even afford a luxury car by now? Do I really have to spend my whole time of savings just for a drive, just for a car? Really? And that's not even it. Higher the price, higher the maintenance, and where do I park this? In this entire country filled with traffic jams and no space. This is not my cup of tea.
Why spend your entire life savings than luxury when there's a smarter way?
Explore our fleet, pick your dream car, buy a small share, just a fraction of the cost, and co-own with others. We handle your parking, insurance, maintenance, all of it included. So what? Now I just pay a fraction, drive hassle-free and have my luxury dream car? Then why wait? ನಿಮಗೂ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Introducing to you Granny Snacks, a fast-growing snack brand. Not just that, it's oil-free, completely baked and made only with millets for a healthy tomorrow. ನಿಮಗೂ ಇದರ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿ ಬೇಕಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ 12 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ 3 ಲಕ್ಷದವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2 ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್, 1 ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸೆಟಪ್, 1 ಏರ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸರ್, ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್, ರಾ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್, ರೋಲ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್, ಗ್ಲವ್ಸ್, ಹೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸಿನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಭ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? 1 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಗೆ 20 ಪೈಸಾ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಷೀನ್ 1 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ 3000 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್, 8 ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ 24,000 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್. ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದಲ್ಲ 2 ಮಷೀನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಈ 2 ಮಷೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 48,000 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 9,600 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ 3 ಲಕ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 3000 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವೇರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ one fully trained operator, ఇద్దరు హెల్పర్స్, మీకు ఒక హెల్దీ బిజినెస్ కావాలా? మీ బిజినెస్ ఏ కాదు, మీరు కూడా హెల్దీగా ఉండొచ్చు. ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ టు యూ గ్రానీ స్నాక్స్, a fast growing snack brand. Not just that, it's oil free, completely baked and made only with millets for a healthy tomorrow. మీకు దీని ఫ్రాంచైజీ కావాలా? కమ్ లెట్స్ షో. జస్ట్ 1 lakhs ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 month కి 3 lakhs ప్రాఫిట్ మీదవుతుంది. 2 హై స్పీడ్ ప్యాకింగ్ మెషిన్స్, ఒక నైట్రోజన్ సెటప్, ఒక ఎయిర్ కంప్రెసర్. ఇదంతే కాదు, ఫ్రీ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్, ఫ్రీ రా మెటీరియల్స్, ప్యాకేజింగ్, రోల్స్, కార్టూన్ బాక్సెస్, గ్లవ్స్, హెయిర్ క్యాప్స్, మాస్క్, ఇవన్నీ మా ఫ్రాంచైజీ మీకు ఫ్రీగా ఇస్తాడు. దీంట్లో ఎంత లాభం ఉంది అని తెలుసుకోవాలా? ఒక ప్యాకెట్ కి 20 పైసా ప్రాఫిట్ ఉంటుంది. మా ఒక మెషిన్ 1 minute లో 50 ప్యాకెట్స్ ని ప్యాక్ చేస్తుంది. 1 hour లో 3000 ప్యాకెట్స్, 8 hours లో 24,000 ప్యాకెట్స్. ఇప్పుడు లెట్స్ డూ ద మ్యాథ్. మనకు 2 machines ఉంటుంది. సో 2 machines లో 48,000 ప్యాకెట్స్ ఒకే రోజులో అయితే మీ డైలీ ప్రాఫిట్ 9,600 రూపీస్ ఉంటుంది. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 3 lakhs పర్ మంత్ రెవెన్యూ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. మీకు గ్రానీ స్నాక్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి అని ఉందా? జస్ట్ 3,000 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ ఉండే గోడౌన్ ఉంటే చాలు. 1 fully trained operator, 2 helpers, వాళ్ళకి ಸ್ಯಾಲರೀಸ್, ಮಷೀನ್ಸ್ కి ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್, ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಕ್ಕಟಿ మన ಕಂಪನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಆಸೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ATMಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ATMಗೆ ಓನರ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮನಿ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್. ಮೇಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಈಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಲೋನೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ರೆಸಾರ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಫೆಟೇರಿಯಾನೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಕೇವಲ 50 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಈ ATMನ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಹೊಸ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಓನರ್ 3.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 1.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರೀಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ATM ಕಿಯಾಸ್ಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ UPS, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್, CCTV, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮನಿ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿಂದ 2 ಲಕ್ಷದವರೆಗೆ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಡ್ರಾವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿಯಾಸ್ಕ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ತರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ 15ರಿಂದ 20 ದಿನದೊಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ.
Behind the scenes.
ನೀವು ATM ಇಂದ ಹಣ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರ ನೀವು ATM ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಎಂದು? But I want to see the proof. ఒక సెకండ్ వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. మీకు ఓ బిజినెస్ ఉందా? ఆ బిజినెస్ గ్రో అవ్వాలి అనేసి ఒక ఇంటెన్షన్ ఉందా? అందరూ ATMకి వెళ్ళి క్యాష్ విత్డ్రా చేసింటాం, కానీ ఇదే ATMకి ఓనర్ అయ్యే అవకాశం ఇక్కడుంది. వెల్కమ్ టు మనీ ఫ్లక్స్. మేక్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఈజీ. మీ బిజినెస్ ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, రెస్టారెంట్ నుంచి సాలాన్ వరకు, సూపర్ మార్కెట్ నుంచి రిసార్ట్ వరకు, జస్ట్ 50 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ ఉంటే ఈ ATM మెషిన్ ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ ATM కియాస్క్ తో పాటు UPS, ఇంటర్నెట్, లైటింగ్, బ్రాండింగ్, CCTV కెమెరాస్, ఇంకెన్నో మరెన్నో ఫెసిలిటీస్ తో పాటు మనీ ఫ్లెక్స్ ఈ ATM మెషిన్ ని మీ ఏరియాలో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తారు. మీరు కొత్త బిజినెస్ ఓనర్స్ అయితే 3.5 lakhs ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారంటే 1.5 lakhs క్యాష్ రీలోడ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. కానీ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక బిజినెస్ ఉంటే 2 lakhs ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తే చాలు, మీ ATM కియాస్క్ మీ ఏరియాలో ఉంటుంది. 20 రూపాయల నుంచి 2 లక్షల వరకు డిపాజిట్ మరియు విత్డ్రాయల్స్ చేయొచ్చు. అన్ని బ్యాంక్ కార్డ్స్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం? ఇప్పుడే ఆర్డర్ చేయండి. బుక్ చేసిన తర్వాత 15 to 20 days లోగా మీ మనీ ఫ్లక్స్ ATM మెషిన్ మీ బిజినెస్ లో ఉంటుంది. Do you think eating rice can control your sugar levels? If you are diabetic and still using this as an alternative to your rice, please throw them away. Do you think they have lesser glucose levels? Rice is something all of us love, but Let's be honest, we are scared about the glucose levels, right? The world's first diabetic rice is right here. Introducing to you the very first time in Namma Karnataka, Bhavana Dia Rice. 7 years, 7 scientists have formulated this diabetic controlling rice. It's even endorsed by American Nutrition, ICMR and NIN. It helps you in better digestion, controls your sugar levels and is super tasty. Say bye to sugar hikes and welcome healthy rice. आपको पता है क्या, चावल खाने से आपकी शुगर लेवल्स कंट्रोल हो सकता है? अगर आप डायबिटिक हो और राइस के बदले ये सब खा रहे हो, प्लीज इसे फेंक दो। क्या आपको लगता है इसमें कम ग्लूकोज लेवल्स है? सबको चावल खाना पसंद है, लेकिन ग्लूकोज लेवल से डर लगता है। The world's first diabetic rice is right here. Introducing to you the very first time in Namma Karnataka, Bhavana Dia Rice. 7 साल से 7 साइंटिस्ट ये फॉर्मूला को डिजाइन किया है और इसके साथ ICMR, NIN और अमेरिकन न्यूट्रिशन के साथ भी अप्रूवल हो गया है। ये आपकी डाइजेशन में मदद करता है और शुगर लेवल्स को कंट्रोल करता है और बहुत टेस्टी भी है। शुगर हाइक्स को बाय कहो और हेल्दी राइस को ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ करो। ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ರೈಸ್ ಬದಲು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಸಾಕಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ? ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಹೈ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಭಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ? The world's first diabetic rice is right here. Introducing to you the very first time in Namma Karnataka, Bhavana Dia Rice. 7 ವರ್ಷ 7 ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ICMR, NIN ಹಾಗೂ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶುಗರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೂಪರ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಶುಗರ್ ಹೈಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿ అండ్ హెల్దీ రైస్ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. మీకు తెలుసా అన్నం తిన్నారంటే మీ షుగర్ లెవెల్స్ కంట్రోల్ అవుతుంది అని? మీకు డయాబెటీస్ ఉందా? రైస్ బదులుగా ఇన్ని ఆల్టర్నేటివ్స్ని మీరు కన్జ్యూమ్ చేస్తా అంటారా? ప్లీజ్ త్రో దెమ్ అవే. మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారా దీంట్లో తక్కువ గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్స్ ఉన్నాయనేసి? అన్నం అంటే అందరికీ ఇష్టం, కానీ దాంట్లో ఉండే హై గ్లూకోజ్ లెవెల్స్ అంటే అందరికీ భయం కదా? The world's first diabetic rice is right here. Introducing to you the very first time in Namma Karnataka, Bhavana Dia Rice. 7 సైంటిస్ట్ 7 సంవత్సరాల పాటు ఈ ఫార్ములాని డిజైన్ చేశారు. అంతేకాదు ICMR, NIN అండ్ అమెరికన్ న్యూట్రిషన్ కూడా దీనికి అప్రూవ్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇది మీ డైజెషన్ ని బెటర్ చేస్తూ షుగర్ లెవెల్స్ ని కంట్రోల్ చేస్తుంది, ప్లస్ సూపర్ టేస్టీగాను ఉంటుంది. షుగర్ హైక్స్ కి బాయ్ చెప్పండి, హెల్దీ రైస్ ని వెల్కమ్ చేయండి.